Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of October the 5th to the 11th. Oh my gosh. So we have a freebie in this one, and the freebie's going on until November the 1st. Most of us didn't get a booster because this is taking place, which is a 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G products. I believe this is an online only exclusive. Look, it says it top left hand corner. So we will do videos probably Monday on this, and it's pretty exciting. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 5th. In case you missed it yesterday, I made a very decisive video with 5 freebies over at the Dollar General. They're having a clearance event that's lasting a week long. Lots of easy freebies with digital coupons. You might want to check it out. Even if you're not a big Dollar General shopper, it's pretty awesome. Okay, let's get right into this. So over at Walgreens, you know how I'm like, check the side caps? This is exactly what I mean. And boom, there's 2 right there. So whoever cleared out this one store, you missed 2. See where my finger is pointing? There it is. So we're looking for 2 of these pink boxes, and it is in the scent Sheer Floral. They're buy one, get one 50% off. $5 reward when you buy 2 at $2.99 a pop. So 2 of them is $4.48. Getting back a $5 store register reward, it makes it free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and none of us have a digital booster this week, so I think it's a pretty easy foregone conclusion. Just to show you what the register reward looks like, typically this will scan on anything. If the cashier reads it line for line, you're out of luck, but there's lots of bags of pads for about the $5 mark, so you might want to grab one of those or just throw it in the mix. Should get scanned. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is with the Garnier shampoo at $4.49. That is up 49 cents per bottle. Usually when they do this offer, they'll do a digital coupon for both whole blends and Fructis. Grabbing 2 of the Fructis, it would be $8.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $5.98, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per Garnier. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and triple check you have 2 3 off 2 digital coupons on Sunday morning for both the Fructis and the whole blends. Hopefully they don't combine it, which I hate the weeks that they do that. And I also hate that it's extra 49 cents. So we'll have to figure out, is that the new price or is it just this week? If you're trying to stock up on the mouth rinses or the floss picks, this is not a bad deal. $5 products we're looking for. There's going to be a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of them for $15. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $10. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $5 for the 3 or $1.66 per unit. The flossy picks or the mouthwash, check if there might be an IBOTTA rebate as the week marches on. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use $10 of Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Now, the next couple deals with the Dove, this is with the body wash, and the other one's with the bar soap. If your Fetch rebate might have an offer, it's an even better deal. My Fetch rebate currently doesn't. But grabbing 2 of these liquid body washes for $16, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $11. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per body wash. Check your Fetch app in case you might have a rebate. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. With the bar soap, we're looking for 2 of them at $10. And a lot of people prefer bar soap over the liquid body wash. 2 of those bar soaps will be $20. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $15. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $12 for the 2 or $6 per unit. If you might have some magic on the Fetch app, like a larger booster, photograph your receipt. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. P&G laundry care products at $4.99, $4 reward when you buy 4, and typically we have $5 in digitals. You're going to have to get a host of different laundry care products, so a pod, a liquid, a dryer sheet. 4 of those for $19.96, subtracting $5 in digitals, you'll pay $14.96, get back a $4 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per unit. You're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now we're looking at a deal with the Bounty Charmin Puffs paper products. I personally would go with the Puffs at $4.99. $5 reward when you buy 4. Grabbing 4 of these, and yes, you can mix and match them. Just make sure they're tagged as part of this promotion. It's $19.96. You're going to get back a $5 register reward, making it $14.96 for the 4 or $3.74 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Moving it along, the Head & Shoulders at $6. That is a good price point I like to see. A 3 off 2 digital coupon and a $3 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of the cheapest Head & Shoulders for $12, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Moving it along, the next deal that we have is with the Colgate at $4. $4 reward when you buy 2, and we're using a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2, it's going to be $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. 50 cents is such a great price point, while I will always use Colgate over Crest because it's always cheaper. For this specific promotion, you're looking for the razors that are about $8.29 per unit. Buy one, get one 50% off. $5 reward when you spend $20. Grabbing 3 of them, that's $21.22. I think the men and women's will have a $3 off of each, so that's $6 off. You'll pay $15.22. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.22 for the 3 or $3.40 per razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. One thing I am certain of, I do not use generic Q-tips. It has to be by the Q-tip company because the stems of them are so strong. Here's a deal. 2 of these for $8. You're going to get back a $1 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per box. And you're going to get like 1,000 Q-tips for $7. I think that is a very good deal, especially if you have other register rewards laying around or Walgreens cash. Make it happen, guys. The Dawn Platinum Easy Squeeze at $4.99. We have a $2 digital, making it $2.99. Not bad. And we have these Febreze Small Spaces at $3.29, subtracting a $2 digital. It's $1.29, so not a bad deal. If you wanted to use that register reward from Q-tip with this, 29 cents, maybe that's the way to do it. The next offer we're looking at is with the Soft Soap Irish Spring. $5.99, $2 digital coupon, making it $3.99. I know the soft soap, hand soap had an IBOTTA rebate. Maybe it's floating around. Maybe not. Double, triple check on Sunday. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first goes to the Absolute Cuties. I cannot wait till that Hello Kitty and Ghost are 80% off. Lots of stores are stocking them. And that big bag of candy, 160 pieces, is $30. I almost fell over. Look but don't touch. And another candy that they're selling right for Christmas is the Russell Stover's Dubai style chocolate for $10.99. I have a friend, this would be perfect with her Christmas gift, so I'm already looking at them. The Arm & Hammer is buy one, get one free. This is last week's promotion. We have a $1 digital coupon. $4.99 for the first, so it's $3.99 for the 2 or $1.99 per unit. It's a good meat and potatoes laundry soap to stock up on, especially for new couponers that are building your stockpile. Pepsi is buy 2, get 2 for free. Not bad, especially if you want to stock up your pantry. And we have the grape nuts, great grains, and fruity pebbles. Lots of Post cereals for $1.88. They're usually upwards of $6 at the pharmacy, so this is the week to stock up. And the Coke products, buy 2, get 1 for free. So if you want to stock up on Fanta, this is the week to do it. I'm pretty sure most of you probably enjoy Coke, though, over Fanta. And the final thing that we're looking at is my favorite, the Doritos Cheetos, 2 for $7 or $3.50 per bag. Not a bad price point. The Dollar General haul video is linked right here if you want to check it out. Go make some smart deals happen today over at the DG. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.